Volatility in crypto has pulled the value of Bitcoin towards $80,000 US as the so-called Trump bump continues to fade across the markets. With a pro-growth president devoted to deregulation and bent on asserting US dominance over everyone else, the conventional wisdom was to pile into US assets and crypto and brace for bond yields and the dollar to surge higher. All that happened in the weeks after the election, but since Donald Trump actually took office on January the 20th, and particularly in the last week, all the Trump trades have reversed. The latest Conference Board survey of consumer sentiment published on Tuesday, and by the way, the first since Trump took office, it dropped sharply. Now, there are several factors driving Bitcoin's roughly 20% fall from a record high since Donald Trump's January inauguration. This includes Trump's combative stance against allies and geopolitical rivals alike, and that's shaken investor confidence. And there are also rising concerns about elevated inflation and even stagflation. The crypto sector was also shaken by a record hack of the Bybit exchange last week. Now, it's quite likely we will continue to see extreme volatility in the sector, and the journey up and to the right quite possibly will continue given the limited supply of Bitcoin. So, while as a speculative trading asset, people will continue to play with it, as a cornerstone of a secure wealth-building strategy, I'm less convinced. More broadly, markets are trying to assess the uncertainty from the impact of Donald Trump's policies on an already strained economic situation. So all up, hang on to your hats.